what damage does nutgrass do to Bermuda lawns? I've heard it is destructive to a lawn. I've been fighting it with Image for several years. My dad used a banned product, like that, banned product. What can I do? I've heard to move off and leave it. Can't do that yet. My next door neighbor has a larger crop than I. They are not yard people.
Uh-oh.
I feel doomed. And this is from Miss Linda in Mumford.
Oh.
So they are not yard people.
Yeah.
She feels doomed.
What if you could talk them into letting them control their nutsedge?
Well, I just knock on the door. Can I
Can I
help
spray
you out
your
with
yard
this?
too? Yeah.
Can I help you out with this?
Yeah.
So what damage does nutgrass do to Bermuda lawns?
Well,
though?
it doesn't do anything. It's just competition for space.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you grow a thick stand of grass, that would help.
Yeah, so maybe switch to some zoysia grass. It's a tighter grass.
Something's a lot thicker.
It's a lot thicker.
Right.
That might help.
Nutsedge is tough.
It is tough. You know, if you pull it up, it breaks off the little bulblets in there,
it is
and
tough.
it can reseed as well, and it spreads, and it does look weedy.
It does.
You know, I mean, Image is what you would probably
Image
use
is what
Exactly.
she's using the right product, but it's going to take several years before you get the control that you're looking for.
That's true.
Right.
And if the neighbors aren't,
There's going to seed.
Yeah.
You know, so rain, water, you will blow it over.
if they don't like to use chemicals of the neighbors, maybe they could have let them come in and dig it out, or put some black plastic over it, or you know, do something else.
Trying to get it.
Try to get it, but yeah, it's going to come back.
Yeah, tough. You know, tubers or nutlets.
A lot of
And something
carbohydrates.
else too, though. Yeah, a lot of carbohydrates. But guess what? Nutsedges or nutgrass likes moist conditions.
True.
So check your drainage.
Good
Make sure
point.
you have proper drainage.
Good point.
Right?
Yep.
Address that issue, then that nutsedge may go away. But it is tough.
It is.
It is tough.
I wonder how big a patch. I could just like put a big container right there.
Cover it up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Boom.
Right there.
Yeah.
Probably come through the
Some
container.
black plastic, some
Black
over it
plastic,
in
yeah.
sections. You could move the. I've known people to do that. Take a large section of black plastic and put it over one section, leave it there for a while, and then move it to another section. But and for some reason the Bermuda grass lives, but the nutgrass, some of it will live, but not all of it.
Well, and Bermuda grass will race back,
Yeah, I'm about to say,
right
yeah.
back in.
Yeah. It'll cover it up without a doubt.
But I've seen people do that too. So,
All right.
but Image is really the best
Image
way
is-
to get
is
way to
the
get
best
rid
way
of
to
it.
do it. I mean, there's another product that's expensive. It's Sedge Hammer,
That's right.
which is halosulfuron. It's the active ingredient, but it's expensive. But Image, just give it a couple of years. It'll work.
When do the neighbors leave?
All
Well, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Check their schedule.
right, Miss Linda. Be careful with that, but I would knock on their door and just ask if I can help control that for them. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.